start soon, yeah.
Welcome to this guided breathing and creative design installation. Please find a comfortable seated position and take a moment to let go of any distractions or thoughts. Close your eyes and focus on the present moment. Clear your mind. In front of you, you will find a beautiful model butterfly.
My eyes are closed.
As you begin to breathe deeply and steadily, the butterfly will start to flap its wings in sync with your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose and watch as the butterfly's wings open wide. Breathe out slowly through your mouth and watch as the butterfly's wings close. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, allow yourself to become fully immersed in the experience. Imagine yourself soaring through the sky, just like the butterfly. Allow yourself to let go of any stress or tension and simply focus on the sensation of your breath and the movement of the butterfly's wings. Just observe your breathing. You are now ready to begin your journey.